Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Anthony.
And Larry.
And we are doing a video today
Sugar pie.
to make sugar pie. So see this pan? Typically it's 3 or 2 circle pans, but we're doing a big square today because it seems to be everyone's favorite, okay? So we're going to do this. So first I'm going to show Anthony how to do crimping on the edges here. So first I'm going to do this part. So all I have to do is go like that. And then what I need you to do is I need you to push down and push down where I am. Perfect. So by doing the edge like this, the pie isn't going to flip in when we're baking it, okay? Perfect, Anthony. So now that the edges, good job. Perfect. These ones are done. Super. So then I need you to take this fork. I'm going to move this over a little bit.
Yes.
So I need you to take the fork and I need you to poke the bottom because we don't want air bubbles in our pie when we're baking it, okay? So I'm going to poke it all the way along. Perfect. That's pretty easy, isn't it, Anthony? Is it easy?
Yeah. Yes, Larry.
It's very easy. Are you pushing all the way? Perfect. Look at that. Great job. So when we're baking the sugar pie, the air pockets aren't going to fluff up so that it makes the pie uneven. So it's going to make it really nice and even. Beautiful. Thank you, Anthony. So would you be able to pour this mix for me?
Yes.
So let's mix it a little bit first. So I'm going to actually show everyone. Let me see if I can show everyone. See the mix in here? So that's the mix for the sugar pie. So go ahead, Anthony. Mix that up. And then when you're done, we're going to pour it in here. Good job. Let's do a little quicker mix so we get those little bubbles in. Perfect, Anthony. Wonderful. Okay. So once we're done, we're going to pour that. So you're going to hold the bowl to pour it in here, and I'm going to use a spatula to combine it, okay? So let's go like this.
You put it in.
Yeah, I'll do this. You do that, and I'll do this. Perfect. So go ahead, put it over the front. Wonderful, Anthony. Perfect. Look at this gooey yumminess. This is going to be so delicious. And so who are we making this pie for?
Steve.
Steve. And why are we making this pie for? Yeah.
For pie.
We're making this pie for Steve because Steve was a wonderful guest last night. And we watched the hockey game together. Even though we were sad that Montreal didn't win. Right?
Right.
So there we go. Look at this. Look at this platter. So Anthony, while I take, is it yummy?
No.
Move in the camera. Come in the camera. Oh, there we go. Is it yummy?
It is yummy.
Delicious, isn't it? Good job. So I'm going to take this away. And then while I take the pie away, would you be able to clean off the rolling pin for me? And I want you to use the all-purpose cloth. And once you're done that, you could then clean the counter, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to take this away and then show everyone how to use the all-purpose cloth to clean the rolling pin.
Carry away. You hurry. Hi. So I can do this and like that. That is smooth. Right? And
yeah, so you're going to wrap it around and show the camera. Perfect. You're going to wrap it and pull all that flour off. Beautiful. How easy is that?
Okay.
Super. Awesome, Anthony. Thank you. And then I want to show everyone how, see on here, there's some flour that's on here from the rolling pin. So pretty easy. So now we can do the counter because on the counter we've got all this butter and grease and stuff. So we're going to put this flat down and go ahead and wipe up. Perfect. And if there's any pieces, you're just going to grab and hold. Amazing. Yep. So let's, keep going. Use that. Perfect. So we're using cold water because it's flour. We don't want to make this into a glue. So we're going to use cold water to pick up all that flour and butter that could be on the counter. Oh, sorry. Yep. Perfect, Anthony. So how's that working to grab all that flour?
Fine.
Perfect.
Nice.
Good job, Anthony. Okay, so let me see what's in there. Let's see what we have in here. So look at that. This is how amazing this fiber is at grabbing all the flour and everything off. So look at how clean is the surface, Anthony.
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
So now what you're going to do is you're going to dry behind. Oh, we're going to keep it folded, right?
Fold.
Yeah, so we're going to fold it this way. And then put your hand on top.
And then, walk over Anthony and Nelly's show.
Yep.
I have a nice smooth.
Perfect. Nice and smooth. So you're going to wipe it.
Yeah,
Take all the water away. Dry it to make it nice and shiny.
yeah, he's shiny.
And it is this easy to use enjo to clean, isn't it?
Yeah.
No soaps, just water, just the fiber technology. And cleaning up a flour counter is super easy when you have the all-purpose cloth and either the annual or the tea towel to dry behind. This is a quartz counter, so it is perfectly shiny and nothing left.
Here goes now.
Thank you so much. Anthony's a really good folder, so he folds every fiber afterwards so that I can take them and hang them after.
Is smooth.
Come here. Have a great day. Say have a great day, everyone, and we'll show you the pie after, okay?
And Anthony and Nelly show.
Here in Long Point, Ontario. Right?
Right.
Say goodbye to the camera.
Bye, Kelly. Bye, Kelly and Ryan.